Have you ever wondered why leaves turn red, orange, and yellow in the fall? Most of us notice the beautiful colors, but the science behind it is absolutely fascinating. And it's not just about colder weather. It's all about how trees prepare for winter. Stick around as we break down this incredible process. So let's dive into the world of trees and how they put on one of nature's most beautiful displays. Fall is when we witness the brilliant transformation of green leaves into vibrant shades of red, orange, yellow, and sometimes even purple. But why does this happen? To understand this, we first need to talk about chlorophyll, the pigment responsible for the green color in leaves. Chlorophyll is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which trees and plants use sunlight to convert carbon dioxide and water into food, or glucose. It's essentially what allows plants to feed themselves and grow. During the warmer months of spring and summer, trees are working hard to produce as much energy as possible. They're like little solar panels, absorbing sunlight and using chlorophyll to fuel their growth. But when fall comes around, the days start getting shorter and temperatures drop. The trees prepare for winter by slowing down their food production and conserving energy. Here's the fascinating part. Trees start to break down chlorophyll as it's no longer needed in such large quantities. But chlorophyll is just one pigment in the leaves. Hidden beneath that dominant green are other pigments that become more visible as the chlorophyll fades. Let's talk about carotenoids, the pigments responsible for the yellow and orange colors. These pigments are present in the leaves throughout the growing season, but are masked by the overwhelming presence of chlorophyll. As the green pigment breaks down, carotenoids are revealed, and we see those beautiful golden and orange hues that give autumn its signature look. Carotenoids are also found in familiar foods like carrots and pumpkins, giving them their vibrant color. But in leaves, they've been there the whole time. We just don't see them until the chlorophyll fades away. Now, the reds and purples come from another group of pigments called anthocyanins. What's interesting about anthocyanins is that, unlike carotenoids, they're not present in the leaf throughout the year. Instead, they're produced in the fall in response to certain environmental factors, like sunlight and the sugars trapped in the leaf. So, why do trees produce anthocyanins? Well, scientists believe these pigments serve a protective purpose. Some theories suggest that anthocyanins help protect the leaf from sun damage, while the tree is reclaiming nutrients from the leaf before it falls. Others suggest they may help trees ward off pests, or even act as a kind of antifreeze, extending the leaf's life just long enough to recover valuable nutrients. Either way, they give us those stunning red and purple colors that are iconic during fall. The weather plays a big role in how vibrant the colors are each year. Warm, sunny days and cool, crisp nights create the perfect conditions for vibrant reds. The reason? Sunny days allow the leaves to produce more sugars, while cool nights slow the movement of these sugars out of the leaves. This combination promotes the production of anthocyanins. On the flip side, a rainy, cloudy fall can lead to more muted colors because there's less sunlight, meaning fewer sugars are produced and less anthocyanin formation. That's why some years the colors are breathtaking, while other years they might be a bit dull. So, we've talked about why the leaves change color, but why do they fall off the trees? Well, as we head into winter, trees enter a state of dormancy to conserve water and energy. To do this, they essentially cut off their leaves. This process is called abscission. As the tree prepares for winter, it forms a layer of cells, known as the abscission layer, at the base of each leaf stem. This layer slowly chokes off the flow of nutrients and water to the leaf, and eventually, the leaf detaches and falls to the ground. This shedding process helps the tree survive the harsh conditions of winter, while the fallen leaves decompose and return nutrients to the soil. So there you have it. The beautiful colors of fall are the result of complex chemical changes inside the leaves. From chlorophyll to carotenoids to anthocyanins, the vibrant display is nature's way of preparing for winter. Next time you're outside admiring the fall foliage, remember that there's an entire hidden world of science at work. And here's a question for you. What's your favorite fall color? Are you a fan of the reds, oranges, or yellows? Let me know in the comments.